Hello and welcome back, food lovers. One of my favorite things to do when I visit the urban metropolis of Bangkok is to eat the street food. When walking through a food market, your nose is greeted with a variety of delicious smells coming from the street vendors. Unfortunately, for obvious reasons, I haven't been able to visit Bangkok so far this year, so the next best thing to do is to bring Bangkok into the home by cooking the food. Thai grilled chicken or Gai Yang is easy to make and full of flavor. Are you ready to make some Gai Yang? Okay, let's go! The first thing to do is to make the marinade, and these are the ingredients that you will need. 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 chili pepper, some ginger, a piece about 2 centimeters long, 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 stalk of lemongrass, and some fresh coriander. The traditional Thai method to make the marinade would be to pound all the ingredients together using a pestle and mortar. If you don't have one of those, you can, of course, blend it all together using a food blender. I'm using a NutriBullet here because it's really convenient to use and easy to wash up. It's one of those rare kitchen gadgets that I still use on a regular basis after owning it for a few years. I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link below if you want to check it out. Don't forget to add the coriander leaves into the blender as well, which I forgot to do when filming. You can also add a little drop of water if the mixture comes out too dry. Next, prepare the chicken by spatchcocking it, like the one here. If you want to know how to do that, then you can see it in one of my other videos. I'll leave the link below. We're also going to push a couple of skewers into the chicken. This is optional, but it helps to maintain the shape of the chicken and it makes it easier to pick the chicken up from the grill. Cover the chicken with the marinade. Don't forget the underside as well, so that the flavor can reach all over. Let the chicken marinate for about 2 hours before cooking. And it can be cooked either under the grill or on a barbecue. So that's how you make Thai grilled chicken Gai Yang. The delicious smells that the chicken will emit from the grill is enough to remind you of holidays past, and it has all the taste of Thailand in the marinade. Thank you for watching, food lovers, and see you next time.